हेलो एवरीवन। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम दक्ष। तो सबसे पहले मैं टीम को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ। हमारी टीम में 4 मेंबर्स हैं। मैं, कुणाल, आकाश और पुष्कर। आकाश पुष्कर ने फ्रंट एंड पे वर्क किया, मैंने और कुणाल ने बैक एंड पे। सो दिस इज द गिटहब रेपो। यू कैन रीड आउट थॉरली इन द रीड मी एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइव डेमो हियर। So all this UI is created by ourselves only. You can check out the designs on the Figma, and the link is mentioned in the README. So here we created the design. The link is in the README of the GitHub repo. So now here the top interviews will appear in the carousel, and one thing I forgot to mention, we hosted our website on the Netlify. So for the tech stack we use React on the front end and Node.js and MongoDB on the back end. So I will move to practice session. Here there are various topics and user can practice questions for any topics he wants. And when I click on this section, he will ask me to log in because I am currently not logged in. And for login, we implemented a complete JWT flow with React and Node, and social auth flow with the help of Passport.js for GitHub, Google, and Outlook. And so I will log in with the help of Google here. Oh, so my name will appear here, and I will move to interview sections or practice. I'll call practice first. So when I click here, the questions for array topics will appear, and similarly for other topics. The questions which I like, I can start them here, and it will appear in my profile later. And the all interviews will come here. When user posts an interview, it will come here. And these are the wait a minute. These are the list of companies which we have stored in the database. We can add more companies if we want. And for every company, we can see interviews by clicking here. So here the interviews of Google only appear. And now I'll come. Now this is the interview look like. I can add comment to the interview. Like I will write hi. So the comment will appear here. And I can also bookmark the interview by clicking on this icon. Now the interview is bookmarked, and this is the profile dashboard. User can update profile like this. Uh, See, it is updated, and can update any data he want, and he can see the interview which he has created. See, I have not created any interviews yet, so there is nothing to appear. Now user can also add interview, and for interviews we have used a CK editor, a complete rich text editor, which helps user to add interview more easily and comfortably. And for the questions which I started earlier, I can see it here. See, when I will remove it from start, nothing will appear here. And similarly for start interviews, the start interviews will appear here. If I will unstart the interview, see, I unstart the interview, and it will go from my list. Start interviews, and the interviews no longer remains there. I can see my questions which I have added. See, I have not added any question, but I can add with the help of add question here. So see, we have hosted this website quite earlier, but we didn't have enough time to make it fully responsive. But still, the front page and most of the pages are responsive, but the profile page is not responsive. I will show you. Like, it is a mobile view. It is a mobile view, and see, the navbar is completely responsive, and I can go. So that's it, I guess. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.